All right, this is a new service I'm going to be offering. It's called a Done For You Website Calculator Service. Add a pricing and lead gen calculator to any website fast. This is an awesome service. So if you want more leads for your website, this is the calculator is the best way to do it. And I can create a custom calculator for you in literally a 24-hour 24-hour turnaround time, as long as I get the information I need. Once you order your calculator, your custom calculator, there's going to be a little form you're going to fill out. Won't take you very long. Put in all the information you can. The more information you put in about the calculator you want, the better it's going to turn out. And I can literally get it to you within 24 hours in most cases, but expect 48 hours. But like I said, most cases will be 24 or more. Why do you want a calculator on your site? Because it's going to collect leads for you. It's going to increase customers or visitors' time on site, which is good for SEO. It's just good all the way around. It's going to be good for you. It's going to be good for your customers. It's going to be good for SEO. It's going to be good for leads, and it's going to be good for basically putting more money in your pocket as a business owner. Now, I can do any calculator in any niche, and I'm going to show you some examples here. And if you want to place an order, like I said, click that button here anywhere on the page. Read more about it. But here's some of the examples of some of the calculators I can make that are already available on my site. And I'm going to show you some of them right here. All right, we're going to go to Done For You calculators, and I've got lots of them, but I'm just going to show you some of them. This is a roof one for roofers. This is a different version. This is an estimate for actual contractors. If you own the roofing company, you're going to want this on your site. And all you do is put in the square footage. You got roof pitch, number of stories of the house. And we'll just do like something to make this real quick. Calculate estimate, and it pops up over on the right. And it tells you very professional calculators for all tradesmen. Here's a plumbing one. As you can see right here, and this does the same thing. It'll pop up once you fill out these fields. It's going to pop up on the right-hand side with everything. Let me see here. HVAC. This one's really cool. You can see how in-depth it is, how much details this one has on it. And we'll go to some other ones. Electrical. This is the electrical one right here. And we'll go to the general contracting one. Very nice one as well. They're all very nice. Some are a little more in-depth than others, depending on what trade you're looking into. And this is the general contractor one. And we can go over to, these are some of the marketing ones I've done. Funnel math calculator for lead gen. And you can see how in-depth this is. Instant price quote calculator. Literally, I have a bunch on my site. You can find one on my site that's not AI powered. These are AI powered ones, so these would not be included. Anything but the AI powered ones on my site are included. And I can put these on your site as you see them on my site. Or, like I said, I can make a custom one regardless of what niche you're in. If it's a marketing one, if you're a contractor, it does not matter. I can have it in, like I said, most of the time a 24-hour turnaround time, but expect 48 hours. So just to be on the safe side. But if you want to pick this up, this is it right here. You can read a little bit more about it, like I said. These are some of the advantages, some of the different calculators I can make, and why it's going to benefit you as a business owner to have one of these on your site to get more leads. Like I said, all the benefits of it. Increase engagement, better for SEO. It keeps visitors on your site. It has them filling out forms, which in turn turns into them calling you and, getting leads and jobs. So that's what everybody's inevitably after, is making more money with their business. And that's where a calculator comes in. It's one of the most simple, smartest things you can do as a business owner is have some lead machines like these installed on your site. to increase your business. So if you like what you see here, you want to get one of these installed on your site, just click the order now button right here where it says order your calculator, any of these buttons, and fill out your details. Once you pay, it's gonna send you to a form where you can fill out your details. You can also contact me. I'll leave my email below. It's affiliatelessons@jaysonlinereviews.com. If you have any questions before you order, that's fine as well. But it's real cut and dry process. You click this, you pay. You're going to be taken to a Google form. Fill out all your details. I will get that. And as soon as I have everything I need, which should be in that form that you get, after payment is made, I'll start work as soon as possible and have that calculator delivered to you sooner rather than later. Usually within 24 hours, but like I said, give me 48 just to be on the safe side. So if you like what you see, if you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, click like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.